Hey YouTube, want to get on here and do a quick Dollar Tree haul. I just stopped by the Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. First, I picked up 4 of these 11 by 14. We've never had this brown kind. So I picked 4 of those up. I kind of have a project similar to one that I've done before, and I will be posting that sometime this week. None of this is going to be in order. I picked up these treat bags. I figured since my little one is in kinder, they're probably going to have like a little Halloween party. If not, me and my girlfriends always do a trunk and treat. So we'll probably use those. If not, excuse me. I picked up this really cute headband. I haven't seen these there before, but I figured either one of my daughters would wear them. I picked up 2 of these. I kind of wanted to put them maybe in a planter or something in the front. So I might do a video on how I'm going to do that. So I picked 2 of those up. And then I also picked up this little guy here. I'm not sure if they had him last year. I couldn't remember. I don't have him, so I decided to go ahead and pick him up. I have a I guess a flag holder or some type of little holder up front in my yard. So I'm going to either hang him on that or, put him somewhere. So picked that up. And then I'm trying not to get anything for Christmas yet, just because I have so much and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be doing. And I know I have a couple of projects in mind, but I just don't want to put too much too soon. I picked up this ornament because I had did a DIY project last year or 2 years ago, and I need to update it just because I had another little one. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do with that more closer to Christmas though. I picked up, actually my daughter picked this up. She loved this mason jar, so I said, okay. So picked those up, and then I picked up some art brushes from Jot. There's 6. I love it because they're different sizes. And I am actually videoing a DIY project right now, and I need these brushes. I picked up, I didn't know I got these for her. I guess she snuck these in the bag. A little tiger, and then some type of dinosaur. I'm not sure. If you know what this is, leave it in the comments below, because she was asking me what it was. I picked up 2 of these polishes. I like this one, the Rapid Dry from LA Colors. I'm not sure. It is, there it is. I see that it does make a difference when I do put it on. They do dry a little bit faster. But with me having 3 little bitty ones, it's hard for me to do that unless they're in bed. I picked this up. I'm not sure. I think my daughter got a hold of it and took it out of the package. Swoon. It kind of looks like a concealer. Anyways, so I got that. And then I picked these up. I have seen everyone haul these, I think, last year. We never got them in my store until now. So I'm so loving these. I'm so excited because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them this color or paint them white or antique them. So we'll see. I'm not sure yet. So pick that up. And then I hear glass. I don't remember getting glass. Oh yeah, I did. I found these that I have been wanting. These babies. So I picked 3 of those up.